So hey, what's up guys, welcome to our channel. In this video what we have to do, we have to solve the Leetcode problem, which is of the 867 number, and the question name is transport the matrix. So the question says about we have to given a matrix like we have to given a matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So what we do, we have to interchange the rows to column and columns to row. So let's solve the question. For this row, what we do, we have to change it to column, and for this row what we have to change it column, and for this row we have to change it the column. So if the matrix is 3 by 3, so the output would be this one. So the this is a normal case which we have solved in the all the universities. For example, we have a like this matrix which is one row and three column. So if we interchange this matrix to the transpose, so what would become, it would become this one, which three row and one column. So if we use the normal loop which we used, which is this one, I greater than n, I plus plus, and we also make the for loop which also from the start from the j till the n. Then what we do, we have do like this, array of j or I and array of I comma j. I will explain it why we do this. For example, that's this test case 4 5 6 7 8 9. So for the this one it would be 1 1, and for this one it will be 2 2, for this one it will be 3 3. For this one it will be first row second column, first row third column. And for the we have to, what we do, we have to interchange the this one, diagonally element always the same. For like 159 always say, what we do, we have to interchange this one and this one. So 159 remain the same, and for this one we have to do like this 2 and 4. So for the 2, what will the values, 1 and 2. For the 4, what would be second row and first column. So if I equal to 1, j is equal to 2, then what we do, we have to swap the values. Like if AR of I or j, I or j contain the value, uh, contain the value 2, contain the value. So in the array of j and of the I, we have to put the 2, and for the value with j or I, we have to put in the value this one. So we have to put the 4 into the place of the 2. So like this is the normal case for the solving this question. This answer is only applicable when the matrix is of the n by n, always the n by, like 3 into 3, 1 into 1, 2 into 2. Whenever the matrix will be changed, like which we I will give an example like 1 2 and 2 1. So in this question what we do, if we take the row is equal to matrix dot length, matrix dot length. So we make a like this 3 4 5 6. So for the this one, matrix dot length would be, matrix dot length is rows. So we have taken the, we have two rows. So in the rows what we store, we row the 2. For the column what we do, this row will be, and this row would be matrix of 0, and this will be matrix of 1. So if we here we take in the column matrix of 0 dot length, so it will store the uh, all the columns in the store. It will store the all the column, which is this one and this one. So now we solve for the rows and for the columns. So for implementing the question, what we take a new int array. So what we do, we generally make the first rows and then for the column, but in this question we have to interchange this. So first would become the column and second would become the rows, and here are rows and column value are already initialized with the matrix 0 dot length for the column and matrix dot length for the rows. So same the criteria, for loop till goes to the row, and for the j loop till goes to the column. And what we do in the array of which make a new, here we do in the jth or ith index we put the value of matrix of I and j. Then what we do, then we have to return the array. Then seeing the solution in the Leetcode. So this would be the solution, which are already the same I told in the previous video or the this video, which the solution I will solve and display in this screen. And here we take the rows and columns and make a new array and swap the value and run the array. Now we run the test cases which is accepted and submit the code, which run with the good complexity which is 0 ms. So I hope this video will help you. Thank you.